Welcome to Hardcore Garage. We may as well stay on this theme of production and just keep on moving. I got another box in the mail. Let's open that up, see what's in it, and get that stuff put on a truck. So what do we got here? Honestly, I don't remember. Oh, yep, I do. I know what it is. All right, guys, this is a new, I guess maybe you want to call it a dash grill for the 03. It was all busted up. I'm hoping this is the right one. There was different colors. I got graphite. There's two that seemed like they might have been gray, and also it said something about a light, and this one doesn't have it, so I'm hoping I got the right one. And these were just kind of a throw-in for an extra 10 bucks. I went ahead and got them too. Brand new speaker grills, which I don't need at all, but why not? Said just for the extra money, I should have left it wrapped up. I'll just have them as a spare if they ever, break, or maybe somebody else will need a pair. Anyway, that's, something super easy. I'm hoping that we can just pop this out. Looks like maybe, the metal clips are already on there, so we should just be able to pop the old one out and put this one in, so let's see that. We got this new one out of the package. I think that's a pretty good match for the dash, hopefully. This other one, if you guys can see that up in there, it's pretty busted up. And it was all in one piece until I got it home and I touched it. And it just did that right there. So obviously there's some kind of issue with these things being brittle, I'm guessing, right? I'm sure that's not the way it's supposed to come out of there. And how much stuff is left down in here in my vents where it's broke, huh? Is that the entire piece? Yeah. Man, that one's going to be a little pain in the butt over there, ain't it? Feel anything else up in here, but how the heck is that going to come out of there without breaking anything else? See if I can get a better grip on this side. It just broke in two. Ow. Let's throw all this crap away. Now, with a little bit of luck, this new one should drop down in there, and I don't know which way. Oh yeah, I suppose it goes just like that, right? Looky there, all back to new. Gotta love it. Now that was an aftermarket piece. It's not NOS, but it seems to fit well. I did not look at those speaker grills to see if it had that little sensor there. Yeah, gotta love it when it's super easy things to make, and it happens pretty easy to try to, make something look better. A lot of times you can touch it and it just gets worse and worse. So I call that a win. The only other thing I got to do in here is I got new roller bushings or roller pin or whatever you want to call that for the door. I don't know if I mentioned that when I got the truck. The driver's door didn't have the spring in it. I took an old spring, which I'll show you. It's white. It's off of Slime Time that I just had laying around here. And when I would open the door all the way, it would pop back out. And I kept putting it back in and taking it back out. And eventually I touched the little roller on the bottom with my finger, and that thing about fell off. So I ordered a new one of those. I'm gonna flip the camera around here and see if you can see it. It's pretty dark in there. But what I haven't put the new one on. All I did was I started to pull the old one off, and when I shoved it down, it lined up and held the door open. I can shove the door open all the way now, and the spring doesn't pop out, so I left it. I want to redo the door pins on both sides and whatever else might need to be adjusted up in here. So I'm kind of just waiting to get a new spring and put the roller pin on that same time. In there is what I was talking about. This over here is your roller. It's actually what this kind of rolls on. It's got a little bearing in it. And a lot of times they just wear out. My door is shoved all the way open right now with my foot. And if that roller wasn't in the right spot, that spring would have already shot out at us. Okay, enough rambling. I know. You want to see projects, not me talking. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Got another video coming out on Friday. Got to stay tuned. Keep on trucking.